Raquan, wonderful free kick, first of all. What's your assessment of the game today?
Well, it's not a, although get the win, but it's not a good performance. Not a good performance.
But overall, you get the 3 points. How valuable was those 3 points?
3 points is great, very great, because you know the third team is on 12 points and we reach 9. So we need for winning next game coming up to catch up. Yes.
Slow start to the season, and you're one of the strikers. You think that you guys should have been delivering a bit more than what you're getting right now?
Yes, because throughout the season we have played well, just not scoring enough goal.
So, as a striker, a bit of responsibility on your shoulder.
Yes, sir.
All right. So overall, that free kick, what was going to your mind when you're going to take that free kick?
Well, as I approach the ball, just remember in training and just execute it on the field.
First free kick for the season?
Second.
Second. Specialist or just a one-time look?
Specialist.
We'll learn that from Messi.
See you, man.
Best?
Messi. The best.
All right, what's your assessment of your performance today?
Well, I would have given my performance a 5 out of 10. I didn't do my best.
Didn't do your best?
Because I can contribute more to the team.
All right, so what does it say about you that you didn't do your best, but yet you still could contribute to something to the game?
Well, just that, just go on training ground and come again.
All right, well done here. Big up.
Thanks.